Hi everyone. So today my project share, my Christmas project share is these little key charms. I was actually inspired by Creative Mommy to make some mini charms, and I have to do one for. I'm doing a couple things for a swap. So I did this one here. You don't even have to cut the chain in half. You can just add the link in the middle of the chain, or add the jump ring, and then just added the charms to a jump ring and to the chain. So that was cute. So candy cane and snowflake. And then this one, I can't find my bells, but I wanted to add bells to them. So it's a jingle bell and then a little snowman. And then this one's a little Christmas tree. So it's really simple, but you know, it's a cute little project. And I'm going to be giving one of these away. So don't forget to comment, subscribe, and like the video. And like the other videos that are being made for this Christmas in July. And thank you so much for watching.